Once in a blue moon. Something that happens very rarely or not often. He calls me once in a blue moon. My brother cleans his room once in a blue moon. When pigs fly. Something that will never happen. He will stop playing video games when pigs fly. The train will arrive on time when pigs fly. Costs an arm and a leg. Very expensive, something that costs a lot of money. I want a new car, but it costs an arm and a leg. She bought a handbag that cost an arm and a leg. Add fuel to the fire. To make a bad situation worse, by saying or doing something that increases anger, tension, or conflict. She was already angry, and his joke added fuel to the fire. Please stop talking, you are only adding fuel to the fire. Give someone a hand. To help someone with something. I need to move this table. Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand to lift this box? Head over heels. To be deeply in love with someone. I am head over heels for Sarah. They are head over heels for each other. Not my cup of tea. Something that you don't like or enjoy. I don't like horror movies, they are not my cup of tea. Painting is fun, but it's not my cup of tea. Out of the woods. To be out of danger or difficulty, especially after a period of trouble or worry. He was very sick, but now he is out of the woods. The storm is over, we are finally out of the woods. Speak your mind. To say honestly what you think or feel, even if others may not agree. Don't be shy, Just speak your mind. Speak your mind, don't keep it inside. Walk on air. To feel extremely happy, joyful, or elated. I was walking on air after I passed my exam. He was walking on air when he got the promotion. Shake a leg. Hurry up or move faster. Shake a leg, we are going to be late for school. Come on, shake a leg or we will miss the bus.